Imagine the tantalizing aroma of a wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard. The crust perfectly crispy, the cheese bubbling with golden perfection, and the smoky flavor transporting you straight to an Italian pizzeria. Now, picture achieving this culinary magic anywhere: your patio, a campsite, or a picnic in the park. This Uniflasy 12-inch portable wood pellet pizza oven with 360-degree rotating stone promises just that, blending portability, durability, and authentic wood-fired flavor into one compact, game-changing package. But does it live up to the hype? In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this pizza oven is a must-have for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. Why the Uniflasy 12-inch pizza oven stands out. Outdoor cooking isn't just about grilling burgers or roasting marshmallows. It's about creating memorable experiences with food that bursts with flavor. The Uniflasy 12-inch portable wood pellet pizza oven delivers on this promise, solving common pain points for home chefs and outdoor adventurers alike. Whether you're frustrated by unevenly cooked pizzas, the hassle of bulky equipment, or the lack of authentic wood-fired taste, this oven is designed to make your cooking effortless, fast, and delicious. Let's break down what makes this oven a standout choice for pizza lovers, grill masters, and anyone who craves restaurant-quality meals in the great outdoors. Solving your outdoor cooking woes. Uneven cooking? Not anymore. Say goodbye to pizzas with burnt edges and doughy centers. The innovative 360-degree rotating pizza stone ensures even heat distribution, delivering perfectly cooked pizzas every time. Time-consuming prep? No way! Preheating to 600 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. This oven lets you go from craving to eating in record time, with pizzas ready in as little as 60 seconds. Bulky equipment? Think again. With foldable legs and a lightweight 22-pound design, this oven is your go-to for portable outdoor cooking, whether you're at home or on a camping adventure. Missing that authentic flavor? The wood pellet fuel system infuses your food with a smoky, wood-fired taste that elevates pizzas, steaks, seafood, and veggies to gourmet levels. Key features that make it a must-have. The Uniflasy 12-inch pizza oven is packed with features that cater to both novice cooks and seasoned grill masters. Here's a closer look at what sets it apart. Durable 430 stainless steel construction. Built to withstand the elements, this oven's 3-layer design ensures long-lasting performance even in harsh outdoor conditions. The thick insulation traps heat for consistent cooking, making it a reliable choice for years of use. 360-degree rotating pizza stone. The star of the show, this feature eliminates hot spots and ensures every inch of your pizza cooks evenly. No more rotating pizzas manually. Just slide it in and let the stone do the work. Blazing fast preheat and cooking. Reaching 600 degrees Fahrenheit in 15 minutes and capable of hitting 1200 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile cooking, this oven delivers pizzeria-quality results in just 60 seconds for pizzas. Wood pellet fuel for authentic flavor. The wood pellet system imparts a rich, smoky flavor that's impossible to replicate with gas or electric ovens. It's perfect for pizzas, meats, and even roasted vegetables. Portable and user-friendly. Weighing only 22 pounds with foldable legs, this oven is easy to set up and pack away, making it ideal for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or picnics. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizzas, this oven handles steaks, seafood, lamb chops, burgers, and veggies, making it a multi-purpose powerhouse for outdoor cooking. Benefits that elevate your cooking experience. Why choose the Uniflasy 12-inch pizza oven over other models? Here are the top benefits that make it a game-changer. Restaurant-quality results at home. The combination of high heat, even cooking, and wood-fired flavor means you can whip up Neapolitan-style pizzas or perfectly seared steaks that rival your favorite restaurants. Effortless portability for any adventure. Whether you're hosting a backyard party or camping in the wilderness, this oven's lightweight design and easy setup let you bring gourmet cooking anywhere. Time-saving convenience. With rapid preheating and lightning-fast cooking times, you can spend less time cooking and more time enjoying delicious meals with friends and family. Real-world performance. What to expect. In testing, the Uniflasy 12-inch pizza oven delivered exceptional results across a variety of dishes. We fired it up in a backyard setting, and within 15 minutes, the oven reached 600 degrees Fahrenheit, ready to churn out pizzas with perfectly charred crusts and bubbling cheese. The 360-degree rotating stone eliminated the need for constant pizza turning, ensuring even cooking without the hassle. We also grilled steaks and roasted vegetables, and the wood pellet fuel imparted a smoky depth that elevated every dish. While the pellet hopper requires occasional refilling every 15 minutes or so, the process is straightforward, and the flavor payoff is worth it. Cleanup is a breeze, ash sweeps away easily, and the cordierite pizza stone requires minimal maintenance. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.